The police coming.
Run, nigga, run.
Nah, fuck that. I got my gun.
I ain't tryna see none of the homies get back.
Cops come through, we gon' aim at they badge.
The police coming.
Run, nigga, run.
Nah, fuck that, cause they don't want none.
Catch 'em in the vacant parking lot, they all get done.
Don't no person on this earth deserve to see no judge.
Listen, we ain't club hopping. We in the whip strap, wig shopping. Looking for a cop, let's get it popping. Don't feel bad for him, cause he deserve it. Just think about all the niggas that they done murdered. Niggas that's locked up, framed by the system. And so-called gangsters in the hood, don't miss them. Weak ass niggas in the hood, you can't miss them. Just waiting to get snatched and tossed in that prison. I ain't got no words for him, but strap up. Get your mind right and throw that rack up. And get your grind right. Niggas stack up and kill a cop when he's calling for his backup. He don't need help, he need a coffin. I think about it every day, son, so often. The police coming. Run, nigga.